We love having tons of fonts to select from when creating Google Docs, especially things like HyperDocs. If you go to the Add-ons menu and click on Get Add-ons, search for Extensive Fonts. If you find Extensive Fonts, just install it on the account where you wish to allow all the fonts to be available. And now you'll see that you get this little notification. I'm in my document. I'm just going to go to Extensive Fonts and click on Start, and I'll see all of my choices show up here on the right hand side, and I can search by display fonts, handwriting fonts. There's just so many. Monospace fonts, serif, and sans serif. I can also search alphabetically by the date they were actually added, by popularity, and by what is trending now. Okay, so once I've decided, which font I want to use, I can simply just highlight something in my document and change the font just by clicking on it like that. If I'm not happy with this one, I'll just change it like that. It's super, super easy to use. And when you're done, just click on Extensive Fonts to close it.